Hello and welcome to CatapultCMS. In today's training video, we'll be going over the Alerts program and how to create and manage alerts. The Alerts program is connected to announcements but functions as its own tool for sharing important, time-sensitive information across your site. To get started, navigate to the Alerts tab in your dashboard. Once there, locate the green Add New button at the top of the screen and click on it. From here, you'll be able to select the type of alert. For this example, we'll use Default Alert. Once your alert opens, once the editor opens, you can see over here that you are able to adjust that alert type. Default alerts allow you to add a custom image or a YouTube video. For best practices, please remember to add your alt text to any custom images. The other alert types, such as Info, Success, Warning, or Emergency, all add an icon already for you so that you can quickly deploy your alert. To start editing your alert, you'll add your title at the top. Underneath that is the alert status. This is where you can either post your alert right away, or you can schedule it for a different date. If you are just editing your alert and want to save it for the future, you can edit it as a draft. You'll notice an archive date here. These are required so that your alert does come off of your site and doesn't get stuck there. Any alert that goes past their date will be automatically archived. Below that, you have your site selection. This is where if you have multiple sites within your district, you can push this alert out to all at the same time. You'll notice that you're able to add as many as you need. Underneath that, we have your documents. You can add a document to this alert. And then finally, you can add your alert content. What do you actually want to say? For this example, we'll say this is an alert. Once you are done editing, you will come down. Oh, apologies. We need to make sure we have an archive date. Please be sure to save your alert. Once you save, you'll be taken back to that initial screen where you can edit that alert, archive that alert, or you can also preview that alert right within the editor. This is how it would appear on your site. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.